The SOLIDWORKS electrical-mechanical ecosystem brings all aspects of product development together, enabling collaboration across disciplines to streamline the design through the manufacturing process. Using SOLIDWORKS PCB, you can harness powerful printed circuit schematic and board layout design capabilities. Having component information readily available is a huge time saver. Real-time supplier data lets us choose the best components from thousands of parts across multiple vendors. Library parts also contain footprints and 3D parts, keeping all related items linked together. Schematic intelligence is passed to the board layout using SOLIDWORKS PCB's built-in ECO process. As you place a component footprint, any interferences are highlighted. Customizable design rule checks allow teams to make sure the board is manufacturable. Finding problems at the end of the design process is costly and compromises schedules. Mechanical engineers can work on the 3D assembly concurrently with the electronics design work, promoting design review early and often, eliminating errors as soon as possible. When we open the PCB design in SOLIDWORKS, the data is always in sync. Changes from either discipline are tracked and incorporated in respective design tools, keeping everyone working together and up to date. The integration between SOLIDWORKS and SOLIDWORKS PCB helps you work faster while also reducing errors. Working in parallel, you can use the SOLIDWORKS ecosystem to generate electrical schematics connecting project subsystems. Adding the right symbol is a breeze with tools like the Dynamic Connector Wizard. As you draw wires, SOLIDWORKS Electrical stores connection intelligence with wire details. Information only needs to be defined once, since it is stored in an SQL database. Any linked items, like our report manager, are automatically updated. Each discipline has direct access to information when they need it, making it a snap to integrate your electrical systems into the 3D design. Let's link the electrical project to a current SOLIDWORKS assembly to take advantage of existing mechanical design work. As your design progresses, easily associate electrical components with the 3D parts. Finally, wire and cable routing is automatic, enabling you to validate crucial fit and wire lengths long before any prototypes are made. SOLIDWORKS offers a unique and powerful collaborative solution that unites electrical, electronic, and mechanical design. Add intelligence to the electrical-mechanical design process, enabling fast and efficient cross-discipline collaboration, providing you with the power to get complex designs to market faster.